Hi, this is Daniel DiTuro. Are you thinking about detoxing your liver? In this video, I'll share what does your liver do, causes of liver disease and symptoms, does liver detox prevent liver diseases or repair a damaged liver, some detox facts and myths, and an easy, no-cost liver detox program. First, what is your liver and what does it do? Your liver is the largest organ in your body, weighing about 3 pounds. It's divided into two lobes, right and left, when viewed from the front. Its main function is filtering blood coming from your digestive tract before it flows through the rest of your body. This includes detoxifying chemicals and metabolizing drugs. Your liver also makes proteins for blood clotting and other functions. Like other parts of your body, your liver can become diseased. Some causes of liver disease include viral hepatitis, prescription drugs, non-prescription drugs, illegal drugs, cancer, and drinking too much alcohol. There are more than 100 types of liver disease. Major types include hepatitis, cirrhosis, cancer, liver failure, gallstones, hemochromatosis, and non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. Hepatitis is inflammation of the liver. It can be caused by a virus like hepatitis A, B, and C, or excess alcohol, drugs, allergic reactions, and obesity. Cirrhosis is permanent scarring of the liver due to long-term damage from alcohol or drugs. It's permanent and reduces liver function. Hepatocellular carcinoma is the most common type of liver cancer, usually occurring after cirrhosis sets in. Liver failure can occur due to infection, excess alcohol, and genetic diseases. Gallstones are hardened digestive fluids that form in the gallbladder. Gallstones that remain in the gallbladder or pass into the small intestine are usually harmless. Gallstones that become stuck in your bile duct can cause hepatitis or bile duct infection. Prevention requires gallbladder removal. Hemochromatosis allows iron to deposit in the liver and other parts of the body. The iron deposits cause liver damage. Non-alcoholic fatty liver disease is a condition that causes excess fat to build up in the liver. It is associated with being overweight or obese. It's estimated that up to 40% of Americans have NAFLD. Most people have little or no symptoms until other liver diseases develop. Leading causes of liver disease include hepatitis C, cancer, and non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. Your doctor checks liver function by a liver function panel blood test. The liver function panel includes several tests looking for high protein levels and enzymes not normally found in blood. Symptoms of liver disease include dark urine or light-colored stool, loss of appetite, abdominal swelling, nausea and vomiting, fatigue and weakness, and jaundice. The onset of these symptoms usually indicate advanced liver disease. Should you be tested for liver disease? Testing is indicated if you have one or more of these risk factors: being diabetic or obese, a heavy drinker or smoker, drug user, taking non-prescription pain relievers and other drugs on a regular basis, or taking some prescription drugs on a regular basis. Does liver detox prevent liver disease or repair a damaged liver? There's an old saying that you are what you eat. Liver detox advocates give people with bad lifestyle habits a false sense of security. A 1 or 2 day liver detox program is not a solution for a poor diet high in toxic substances known to cause liver damage. Detoxing your liver on a regular basis is supposed to remove harmful pesticides used to grow foods. The rationale is the liver is unable to remove the hundreds of chemicals used to grow foods. Even organically grown fruit for detoxing smoothies can have pesticide residue. Hundreds of man-made chemicals are added to prepared foods, from artificial colors and flavors to preservatives. Are chemicals used to grow and preserve foods more dangerous than drinking 3 or 4 bottles of beer daily? Or having a couple cocktails with friends? Excess alcohol consumption is a major cause of cirrhosis and liver disease. Smoking and vaping also produces hundreds of toxins that enter the body. A day or two of liver detox smoothies will not provide protection from daily exposure to harmful chemicals. This brings us to some common myths about liver detoxification. The first is that detoxing your liver on a regular basis is a safe way to guarantee optimum liver function and repair a damaged liver. The fact is, there is no research supporting any health benefits of a liver detox program, including repairing liver damage. A healthy liver removes most toxins from your body. Taking liver detox dietary supplements or following a detox program will not prevent or repair liver damage. Another myth is that detoxing your liver guarantees safe, rapid weight loss. Some liver detox products are also marketed as weight loss products. No dietary supplement has been proven to cause rapid weight loss, and some detox ingredients can cause severe liver damage. This brings us to our next myth, that liver detox dietary supplements are natural, safe, and effective. While most liver detox ingredients are natural, supplements without the USP seal may have little or none of the listed ingredients. Supplement manufacturers in the U.S. are not required to prove they are safe, effective, or that you're getting what you paid for. Another myth is that liver damage is unavoidable without regular detoxification. The fact is, most liver damage is due to diet and lifestyle. Another myth is that detoxing your liver will repair a severely damaged liver. There's no proof liver detoxes repairs liver damage, but there are treatments for some types of liver disease. Treatment can be as simple as losing excess weight and limiting or stopping alcohol consumption. One final myth is liver disease is caused by pesticides, chemical additives, and refined sugars, not by being obese. The truth is, being overweight or obese significantly increases your risk of non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. There are ways to detox your liver without spending any money. Like type 2 diabetes, lifestyle-related liver disease is preventable. Here are some ways to maintain a healthy liver. If you're overweight or obese, reduce your weight by 5 to 10%. Reduce your exposure to toxins in pesticides and cleaning products. If it's within your budget, eat organically grown foods. Eliminate ultra-processed foods. Do not smoke or vape, or stop smoking and vaping. Drink alcoholic beverages in moderation or not at all. Talk to your doctor about minimizing the number of prescription drugs needed to treat your medical conditions. Use acetaminophen, NSAIDs, and other non-prescription pain relievers as directed. Treat dietary supplements like non-prescription drugs. Use them with caution and only as directed. Some dietary supplements can be toxic and have caused severe liver damage. Please leave a comment if you have any questions about this video. Thank you for watching and healthy eating.